one of your toys would you like? There's a carrot. Do you like the carrot? Or how about a radish? Oh, I guess that's the one.
Yeah, I guess he likes radishes. Guess you should buy him some to eat. Yeah, he likes his Christmas present for sure.
He grabbed it.
Oh my goodness.
A good present for you.
Nom 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 nom.
Did you put candy canes in these?
Oh no, not yet. And so he got a bunch of different vegetable toys, and apparently he likes radishes.